Hey guys, we are playing the Polar High Roller for the High Winds Red Screen Showdown. This was the most popular vote, so here we go. Let's see if we can make something happen. At least a minimum of red screen. Let me take this $1 out so I can have a max bet all the way through. Not gonna lie guys, this Polar High Roller, once in a blue moon, it likes me. And as you can see, the bingo card does not look pretty at all. T? No, 7's in the way. Excuse me. Man, the bingo card. Wow, guys. Maybe I'm in the wrong machine. Ooh, something. Okay. It could have went red for a peace sign right there, but I'll take this. Just need some red screens and makes this machine more interesting to play. Come on, baby. Got a nice little hit, but so far I haven't got a red screen yet. Hopefully our luck will turn around. Come on, stop being ugly. Mixed bars? No, stupid 7s. Man, that's ended with 7 would have landed. That would have been game over. Could have went red for mixed bars at least. I like. Keep on. Can we do it again? Oh no. Ooh, please, something. Wow, man, that card was full. Come on. Face on the line at least? No, not even. Oh, there's. Let me bet $1 real quick, guys. Don't do nothing. Oh, you did. Bet $2 real quick. Don't do nothing. Alright, now the rest max bet. Sorry, guys, I'm kind of weird. I just want to make sure my final bet would be max bet. Up. Face on the line, and that's about it. We got a red screen. Not the red screen I wanted, but can't complain. It'd be really crappy playing the machine and not get the red screen. That would be a hurtful moment. Can we get another red screen though? That would be cool. Doing this for the top win high I'm sorry, starting my words. High Winds top fans. Thank you so much for picking this game. Picking the most like hated machine for me because it hates my guts, but for you guys, thank you. We got a red screen down here, so I can't complain. Still in the game. Ooh, something. Never mind. Just need one red screen, baby. One more red screen. Something better than face on a line. Yeah. I swear this machine hates my guts. I do appreciate you guys intervening and picking this machine for us. Man, if that would have dropped that 7, then I would have got him on a permanent lock. But right now, it just seemed like it's a dead shot. 10 more pushes. Okay, 11 pushes. I don't know if it will give me one more red screen. It would be nice if it would have gave me one more red screen before I just completely plummet. Something. Card was there, you know, whatever. All right, 5 more pushes, guys. Not for sure if you guys wanted me to hit the max bet all the way through, or I could rotate to $2 or $1, but figure $3 bet is kind of cool to have. Look at my brothers.
It's trash.
I picked the wrong machine, guys. Son of a gun. Sorry, I had to throw him in there. He just jumped in right next to me. My gosh. I am on the... I know. But still, that's awesome. He just put like $40 right next to me and got it up to $100. And here I am, put a 100 and nothing. Barely surviving. Single, single, single. There you go. That's a little something. Got a little bit more cushion again. Yeah. Well, he had to jump right next to me and rub it in my face. Okay, we're getting close, guys, to back to 100. Go red. Ah, you didn't want to go red. I wonder if I stop right now, would I beat Oklahoma Casino Review on this? Nah. At least go a little bit, something over $100. I can't. I'm not gonna quit on this little small amount. Just need another red screen though. Oh, that's nice. I need a red screen though. Right here. How about now? No? Stupid triple bars. You're gonna hit single, single, single. Oh, face mix bars. Same thing. The original talks on this session was a 10-minute session and see exactly how far we can get with the 10-minute marker. That I've just told him, like, you know, double up would be a nice little thing, maybe even more. We did have a couple of red screens on here. But I want something a little bit more fantastic and just like small little red screens and not be underneath $100. If I can at least hit 150, I'd be happy. Triple, triple, triple. Oh, okay, never mind. If it went red, it went triple, triple, triple. That would have been just awesome. So it's already at the 10-minute marker. If I can get it up to like 100, back to 100, I think it's a nice little session to kill it off on. What do you guys think? Should we just go all the way out or play until the 10-minute marker? Because I'm past the 10-minute marker and I'm not satisfied.
Pat.
Hey, what's going on?
You're our latest hot seat winner.
Hey.
$50 in free play, and all I need is a signature from you.
Hey, you're awesome, man. One quick second, guys. I won $50 hot seat.
Alrighty. Give me a couple minutes, I'll be on your card.
All right, appreciate that. Thank you so much. You need me to pose for that $50?
Do what?
You want me to pose for that $50?
You can if you want to.
I can. If you let me wait till I get done with this session, I'll gladly take a picture of it. I'm trying to, my goal is to at least try to hit $100 or $200 and I'll have a stopping marker. Okay. If that's all right with you.
If you decide you want to take a picture, come up there.
All right, appreciate that. That's so awesome, man. Even if I lose on this one, I still get $50. Kind of like a win-win situation for me. Something. Go red. Why you didn't want to go red? So if I would have stopped right now, plus my $50, guys, that would have been something. Does a hot seat consider as a win? Nah, we shouldn't do that. I don't want a cheap shot at Oklahoma Casino Review, so we'll just play it out. Like I said, at least $100 will be good enough. But $200 be awesome. I wish you would have went red though. The peace sign was there, guys. You see that? But it didn't want to happen. My brother's machine, he's still playing right next to me and he's still just killing it. T? No. Ooh, something? Okay, you didn't want to go red. Cashing out with profits, my brother did, so. Mixed spurs. I highly doubt he wants to give me back $100. Mixed spars? Nope. If I did lose, doesn't matter, guys. I got a couple of red screens in here. I did win a $50 hot seat, so it's a win-win situation for me. And I do appreciate everybody for picking this machine as the #1 machine to start off our Red Screen Showdown. And I do appreciate everybody for participating and showing support. So after here, feel free to check out the Oklahoma Casino Review and see how he did on his session. And we'll just go from there. We got like 3-4 more pushes left and that's it. Why you gotta tease me, bro? Why you gotta tease me like that? Two more pushes and it'll be game over. And last push of the day. Well, at least I tried, guys. At least I tried. So feel free to check Oklahoma Casino Review and see how he did. And I will see you beautiful people later. Good times, baby.